if I want to add tabs again, see there's an add button here. I'll add tab to 1 centimeter first. See, it has the tab has been added to 1 centimeter. From here to here is 1 centimeter. This is 1, this is 2 centimeter, this is 3, this is 4 centimeter. In the same that way, it is still 20 centimeters. And the second time tab, if I want that to be after 6, that is in 7 centimeter, I'll do is I'll add type 7 here and add this. Tab has been added to 7 centimeter. The third tab I want from 14 centimeter. From 14 centimeter on the scale, what I do is I type 14 here and add. So this is how you add the tab. I'll add the tab 1 centimeter here. The second tab I add to 2 centimeter to 8 centimeter or 7 centimeter. Third tab I'll 12 centimeter. Actually, it's multiplying the figures. That's the reason you are to reduce this figure. If you want to shift this as I have added the 8 is multiplying to 8 with 8, that is 8 multiplied by 8, the tab has been added as 16. Okay, this is how the tab has been added. I'll remove all the tab again and let's try. So 1 add, this is 7 add. Again, if I want to add the tab to this 14, what I need to do is 7 plus 7 is 14. Again, I'll add 7. So 7, it adds another tab, that is a third tab. Want to change this tab to 14, shift to 14. You can directly go here and add the tab. You can go directly here and change the tab figure. Okay, this is how you add or delete the tab. Now from here you can change the tab setting. Suppose if you want this to be center, if you want this to be right, here you can change the tab setting. Because this way you can change the tab setting. If you press OK, the tab has been set. Okay, now suppose you have a table and if you want to set the tab, so this is how the tab has been set. You can see this here. This I'll select as left. If you want to change the entire setting of this, all the line, if you, the entire line setting of the tab setting of all the lines, if you want to change it at once, what you need to do is you need to select all the lines and then change the tab setting. So here it's not been set. First you need to set the tab by pressing tab button on your keyboard, then see the changes on all the lines. See, this is how it happens. Okay, this is how the tab box. Now suppose if you're keeping your cursor on any one single line and changing the tab, only that particular line tab setting will change. Okay, because if you keep a cursor at any of the line here and shift the tab, change the tab setting, only that particular line placing will change. Okay, that particular line setting, tab setting will change. Okay, if you want to change, if you want all the line tabs of the tab setting of this all the lines to be same, what you need to do is press Ctrl A and select all the text and just click at the tab here, and you see all the tabs has been set equally. Okay, this is how the tab works. You can either you can change the tab setting from here on the ruler to these tabs, or you can go to text, tab, bring this tab setting box and you can add the tab setting. This is how you can change the tab. See, now how it changes the tab setting, how it changes here is, suppose if I want to add a tab here, I'll remove all the tabs. Suppose if I add a tab here at 1 centimeter, okay, just forget about, just don't look at this text and just observe this particular box. Okay, suppose if I want to add a tab at 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, I've added a tab, and again if I want to add a tab after 1, if I want to add a tab here at 4 centimeters, Okay, now what I need to do is if I tab 4 and add, that goes to 5 centimeter because it has included this particular 1 centimeter here. Okay. So 1 plus 4, it becomes 5 centimeter. I have added 4, this is 1, this is plus 4, this goes to 5 centimeter. Suppose if I want a tab exactly as 4 centimeter, I'll delete this tab first. Suppose if I want to this 1 centimeter, I have added a tab at 1 centimeter. If I want a tab at 4 centimeter here, what I need to do is I need to type 3 at tab location. At tab location, I need to add type 3. Okay. If I type 3, so then the second tab will be added at 4 centimeters. Okay, because there's already 1 centimeter tab here, and if I add 3, the second tab goes to 4 centimeter. And again, if I want a tab at 8 centimeter, okay, what I need to do is I need to add 4 centimeters. Okay, because this is 4 centimeter, and after 4 centimeter, if you add 4 again, it goes to 8 centimeter. And suppose if I need a tab here at 9 centimeter, I'll just type 1 here. So 8 plus 1 goes to 9 centimeter. If I want a tab at 12 centimeter, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 I need to add. If I add 3, it goes to 12 centimeter. This is how you can add the tab. And alignment, you can change it from here. This is how the tab works.